Sairam to all of you.
Sairam sir.
So, Shravani Sairam, Khushi Sairam, Rumishak
Sairam sir.
Sairam, Divya Sairam, Varsa Sairam, Purvi Sairam, including me, 7 people. So, what's up? 2 days enjoyed? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
At least communicate, yaar. Why you are sitting so silently? Huh? भैया घर में कोरोना नहीं आएगा. डोंट वरी. बोलने से कोरोना नहीं होता है. But we have to be little aware now because it is spreading little faster. I hope you have all that information. You know how many people have suffered. Yes or no?
Sairam sir.
Sairam Swani,
Sairam sir.
Sairam Jay Sairam, वैष्णवी गुर्जर जॉइंट. हाँ, अब थोड़े से फोटो मुझे ठीक ठाक लग रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी मोनित ने नहीं बदला है ना. जो मैं चाह रहा था स्कूल वाले जो फोटोग्राफ्स है ना, बच्चे अभी मान नहीं रहे लगता है मेरी बात. देखो मेरा मेरा फोटो कितना अच्छा है. देखो नहीं कैसे आएगा, इसको बंद करूंगा तब. देखो स्कूल स्कूल के फंक्शन का ही प्रोग्राम का फोटोग्राफ है ये. Hmm? So I will request to all of you, if you have a good picture of from any sport, sorry, school activity, where you have the chest level photograph, you can put it on that. Otherwise क्या होगा, सब स्टाइल के फोटो डालेंगे और फिर बाद में पहचान में नहीं आएगा कि ये वैष्णवी है, कि ये खुशी है, कि ये सुहानी है, कि ये पूर्वी है. है ना. और ये कौन है, कनक. पहचान में नहीं आते बच्चे. ऑल राइट. We 18 means 17 people have joined, and as we have promised, Nishant has promised to all of us that today he will continue with that exercises, and all the boys will open the window. How many boys are here? Raise your hands up. How many boys are here in the class? Please open. Sorry, raise your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this all the boys, please open the window. Anuj, open the window. Shivans, Shivam, open the window. Monit, open the window. I'm counting 3. All right, within 3 count, everybody has to. Yes, very nice. Arey, wow, wow. Dhananjay, welcome. Very happy. All right. So, Nishant, are you ready with the for exercise? Everybody open the window. Yes, Anuj, ready? Ready for exercise? Keep your window open and do your exercise with Nishant. Over to Nishant.
Yes, sir. So, first of all, we will start with neck rotation clockwise.
शिवम, आप दिख रहे हैं अच्छे से, करो बेटा. अनुज, open your window and do your exercise. Monit, open the window and do your exercise. I hope all the girls are doing. Yes, very good. Do it.
Anti-clockwise.
Very good. Very nice. All stretching exercise. Very nice. दिख रहा है अनुज, अच्छा दिख रहा है, don't worry.
Now we will do arm rotation, both the arms simultaneously clockwise.
शिवम करो, अच्छा दिख रहा है बेटा, परेशान नहीं हो. हाँ, डू इट, वेरी गुड. देखो पीछे दरवाजे में हाथ ना लगे. डू इट मोनित,
Reverse.
डू इट. Bhomik is also there. Bhomik is not opening the window.
Elbow rotation, shoulder rotation, sorry.
Yes, very good, Bhomik. Excellent. Anuj and Monit is not doing. I hope all the girls are also doing.
Reverse. Now we'll do trunk rotation.
Very good, धनंजय. हाँ धनंजय, मॉर्निंग हो गई अच्छी सी, है ना? Very nice.
Opposite direction.
Very good, Shivam.
Stop. Now we'll do knee rotation.
Very good, Bhomik. Very
Reverse.
good, Anuj. Very nice. कटिंग करा लेना बेटा, हैं? शाबाश. I cannot see Monit. Monit joined, but not opening the window. Do it, shabash.
Now we'll do ankle rotation. Am visible or not? Yes, I am visible.
Yeah, you are visible. You are visible. You are visible, Nishan. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. I can see myself. Reverse the rotation. Change the leg.
Very nice.
Reverse. Done, sir.
Alternate toe touching.
Yes, sir. Feet apart your legs and do alternate toe touching.
Very nice. Very nice. Dhananjay has. Okay.
Done, sir.
Excellent. Can we do 1 minute jumping jacks?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Everyone get ready for jumping jacks on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, start.
Very nice. Very nice. Every girl is doing. I can see. Very nice. I can see all the girls are doing, and as well as all the boys also doing. Very nice. Wonderful. I like it. वेरी नाइस.
Done, sir.
ऑल राइट, थैंक यू निशांत. एक बार निशांत के लिए सब लोग क्लैप कर दो भाई. आवाज आनी चाहिए तालियों की. माइक ऑन करके क्लैप कर दो जरा. वेरी नाइस. पूर्वी की आवाज आई. वेरी नाइस. बाकी लोगों भौमिक की आवाज आ गई, धनंजय की भी आ गई. वेरी नाइस. शाबाश. एक्सीलेंट. चलो, वंडरफुल. रिलैक्स. ठीक, टेक डीप ब्रेथ इन. जोर से गहरी सांस अंदर. होल्ड इट and release it. One more time. Inhale, hold, and relax. Last time. Urvi, three
Yes,
omkars.
sir.
Three omkars. Saira. God bless you. Wonderful. I think this is the best way. Uh, in the next class, now the girls will lead, and who will lead? I will just tell you the name. If any volunteer is there, please raise your hands up in the girls. If any volunteer for exercise, please raise your hands up. All right, then I will assign. Okay, Barsa Vastri will be the leader for tomorrow. And Barsa is having all the liberty. Either she want to do the exercises or want to do the yoga exercises. Right, Barsa?
Yes, sir.
Whatever you like. If you like yogic exercises, you can do that. And the other girls will follow as well as the boys will follow, right? Is there any
Yes,
problem?
sir. No, sir.
All right. So, according to your, make it 10 minutes program, and then tomorrow your turn is there, right?
Yes, sir.
All the best. And now, as we all are aware that we are running with the chapter number 1, right? And today's speaker is first speaker and second speaker, both 2 points, two topics are with the Nishant Nilesh, right? And he is going to present his topic over the procedure to draw fixture and knock out what is buy and what is seeding. If Nishant is ready, then the stage is yours.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Welcome.
can I present my screen?
Please go ahead, beta. Please go ahead.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, bacha.
Sir, is my slide visible now?
Yeah.
So, Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is Nishan Naik, as you all know, and my topic is knockout fixture procedure and seeding fixture procedure. So we'll start with knockout fixture procedure. As we all know, as Dhananjay explained us that in knockout tournament, a team continues to play further matches as per schedule till defeated. Means if a team wins, then only they will continue to play. That means a team gets eliminated to play further if defeated or loses. In this tournament, only victorious teams is allowed to play further matches until one wins. Means unless and until we get the final winner, matches are continued to play. Now, the procedure begins from here. In knockout tournament, number of matches are one less than the number of teams, whereas there are equal to the number of teams for deciding the best three position. For deciding best three position, there are equal number of matches. In knockout tournaments, sometimes buys are given to adjust the fixtures as well as to give privilege to teams to play in next round of matches. When there are odd number of teams, then we have to give buys to the teams to fix the fixtures to get it in a particular manner to continue or to make it uh, proceed frequently. Now, for example, is this picture visible to you all, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
As you all can calculate in the first round, round one, which is this round, you all can calculate the number of teams. There are 16 teams, and after that, and if you calculate the number of matches, there are 15. So this gives us an example that in knockout tournament, the number of matches is one less than the number of teams. So far, anyone had any doubt, they can ask me.
Can we go a little back in your slide?
Yes, sir.
So you all have to ask the questions, right? You all have to ask the question, otherwise it is difficult to understand, right? Nishant, one more time you can
Yes,
explain.
sir.
Hmm.
So, in everyone understood the what is knockout tournament. I assume that every one of you understood the knockout tournament. What is knockout tournament? So, when
Okay,
we
now I will ask the one question.
plan a, yes, sir.
What is the meaning of capital N?
Sir, capital N is number of teams over here.
Absolutely. This question must come from the participants,
Yes, sir.
right? What the total matches can be find out with the help of this formula n minus 1. If you are making a knockout tournament, then we can find out how many matches will be played in a knockout tournament where we are going to decide only the first and second positions. Nishant,
Yes,
if
sir.
yes, if we are taking the first four positions, then the number of the matches will be equal to the number of teams participated in tournament. Remember that. मैंने क्या बोला?
Yes, sir.
The number of the matches are one less than the number of teams, n minus 1.
Yes,
Whereas
one.
they are equal to the number of teams for deciding the best three positions. When you are trying to find out the best three positions, then the matches will be remain same as the number of the teams. And whereas you
Yes,
are
sir.
just trying
Three
to find out
matches.
the winners and the runner-up, then the matches will be minus 1.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Right? It is clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone? If it is clear to everyone, then please write yes in the chat box. Quickly. Shravani, very nice. Monish Sahu, very nice. All right, very nice, very nice. All right, right. Very good. Now the next point which I can see in this slide. No, just keep yourself at the back. Sometimes Ys are given to adjust the fixtures as well as to give privilege to the teams to play in the next round of the matches. What happens in the knockout tournaments? when we go for organizing the knockout based tournament, then sometimes the buys are the given. The buy are basically the privilege to a given a team to adjust the fixtures, right? And these privileges teams does not play in the initial rounds, but they play in the next rounds. Yes, Nishant, over to you.
Yes, sir. Bye. Bye is a sort of privilege to a team. A team that is given bye does not play in the first round.
Initial round,
Bye
yes,
is an
very nice.
opportunity. Yes, sir. If a team is getting a bye, then he is considered the winner, and uh, uh, he further plays into the second round or in third round as the fixtures. Bye is an opportunity to play the match in higher round without playing in the lower round.
Good,
This is like opportunity given to any team. These are given to adjust the fixture as well as to give privileges to team. As mentioned, to give privileges to team to play in the next round. It is only given in knockout tournament. These buys are only given in knockout tournament. In other tournaments, it is not applicable. And buy is also a necessity to complete the draw. To complete draw means if, for example, there are seven teams participating in a tournament, then we have to give one bye to one team so that fixtures or draw can be completed. Then there will be four matches in first round, then two matches in second round, and the last final match.
good.
Is it clear?
Any doubt to anyone? If no doubt, then
No, sir.
write no doubt.
No.
Okay, Nishant, you can move further.
Yes, sir. Method of fixing buys. Uh, now, for example, assume that you are having nine teams tournament. Okay, there is a tournament in your school, and you are having nine teams in that. So if there is nine teams, then there is a requirement of one team to complete the draw. Because in a match, two teams play with each other, uh, opposite to each other. So for having that, we have to have even number of teams. So we'll give a bye to one team so that the draws can be easily made. Now, the method of fixing buys is first buy is given to the last team of lower half. If there will be two halves, upper half and lower half. That is decided by the upper half is decided by the we will just half we will half the number of teams, and that will be the upper half, and the remaining will be lower half. So first bye is given to the last team of lower half. Suppose the last team is ninth team, then we'll give a bye to ninth team. Second bye is given to the first team of upper half. If team one is there and there is odd number, then we will give bye to the first team of upper half. Means first team will get a bye, and so on. Like third team is given the third bye is given to the first team of lower half. Then fourth bye is given to the last team of upper half. It's easy to understand. See, first bye will be given to the last team of lower half. Then the second bye is given to first team. Again the last team of lower half. Again first team, then last team. Again first team, then last team, and so on. This continues.
Good,
But we have to start with lower half. First bye is always given to the last team of lower half. Is it
good.
clear?
Any doubt? Let me see how many people answer.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर ये समझ में नहीं आया.
हाँ, very good. I like Purvi. Do you know why? Because Purvi always asks the question and rest all remains quiet. All right. So what I am doing, I am also sharing my class, right, with you. Let me come on my notes and then I will.
Sir,
Yeah, beta.
can I explain this as she has
Yeah, yeah.
doubts?
Please
So
go
I,
ahead.
I have
Please
an
go.
example.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, see, Purvi, are you able to see the example to knockout fixture of 7 teams? Is it
Yes,
visible to you?
yes,
See,
yes.
in this we are having 7 teams, okay? 7 teams. So that is an odd number. 7 is an odd number. Purvi.
Yes. Huh.
Yeah, communicate,
So
communicate.
as you can see, the first match, the first round one, in round one, you can see the first match is played between 1 and 2. Okay. Second match is played between 3 and 4. Uh, Third match is played between 5 and 6. But in fourth match, we are having only a single team. So we will assume that a team is playing with the seventh player, and we'll assume that team is bye. So that team loses with 7. So bye is such a person which always loses with any team. And the seventh team continues to play with the winner of third match. मतलब क्या
Any
पता है
problem?
कि बाय किस टीम को देते हैं, उसके साथ खेलने वाला कोई नहीं है तो बाय दे दो कि ताकि वो आगे चला जाए, आगे जाके खेल ले किसी टीम के साथ.
Okay. Urbi, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Or Suhani, you are not asking any question? Suhani beta, Khushi,
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
okay. Uh, okay, Nishant, you continue. Then I will come.
Yes, sir. Now, as I showed you already that this is an example of fixture of knockout tournament, in which we can clearly see that losing teams goes out of tournament and the winning teams are only uh, carried further to play with each other. And
Hmm.
as I said to you, the number of matches here is 15. That is the 1 minus means number of team minus 1 is equal to number of matches. And here number of teams are 16, so total number of matches are 15. Okay. Now, procedure of giving buys. Uh, I have already showed you, explained you, but I'll still read it. In knockout tournament, total teams are divided into two halves. As I said, in case of odd number of teams, one of the half will have one team more than other half. Means one team will have one half will have one team more than other half. It may be upper or lower. Anyone can be possible. Whether lower half have one team extra or upper half upper half have one team extra. The number of buys in a fixture are decided by subtracting the number of teams from the nearest power of 2. I'll explain this in the further side. You just wait for it. For the nearest number in power of 2, like 2, 4, 8, 16, as we all know, power of
2,
2
2 to the 4,
square. Yes,
Nishant.
sir.
2 to the
Yes, sir.
4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the
8
16,
to the
16 to the
16, 16 to
32,
the 32,
likewise
etc.
to the power
Yes, sir.
n. Nearest
Yes, sir.
number of teams.
Yes, sir.
बिलो
Sir,
नहीं हो सकता है,
I'll.
बिलो नहीं हो सकता है, आगे ही होगा. Next possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Buy is also a necessity to complete draw, as we all know. While making fixture, it is the best to divide the number of buys to both upper halves in symmetry. But in case of odd number, number of teams, the upper half will have one more by than lower half, or vice versa. Bias in upper half is given by number of teams plus 1 upon 2. Means if you are having number of teams 7, for example, so 7 plus 1, 8 upon 2, 4. So bias in upper half can be 4, means it can given there can be 4 bias or not, that it's all upon you. Now bias in lower half is number of team minus 1. That is, if there are 7 teams, then 7 minus 1, 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Is it clear now? This is also an important formula. You can just uh, shortlist it in your notes if you're making. And the important formula is that n minus 1, which I explained it earlier. So
Okay.
far, there are 3 formulas. These are important one. And now next.
Sir,
Yes.
Ramisha, please go on.
sir, there is a line I am not able to understand its meaning. It says, "Buy is also a necessity to complete the draw." What does this mean?
Suppose
See,
if we
sir, can I?
buys are compulsory in the knockout kind of tournaments, right? Now, why it is important? The reason is, suppose you are having the 7 teams. Now, how you are going to conduct that tournament? How you are going to conduct? The procedure is here. Suppose these are the teams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? Now, in knockout tournament, as the Nishant has already said it, we divide these 7 teams in 2 pools, upper half and lower half. Now, how we divide that upper half and lower half? Upper half and lower half is divided on the basis of formula, that is n plus 1 upon 2, total number of teams, plus 1 upon 2. Suppose there are 7 teams, plus 1, 8, divided by 2. So 4 teams. So these 4 teams are 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 teams are in one pool. And in the second half, n minus 1 upon 2. 7 total number of teams are there. 7 minus 1 upon 2. So if we divide 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 and divided by 2, it means 3. 3 teams are here. 6, 7, sorry. निशांत हिलाओ नहीं बेटा स्लाइड.
Yes, sorry, sir.
मैं आप ही की स्लाइड को ले रहा हूँ. मेरे पास तैयार है लेकिन मैं आपकी स्लाइड से काम कर रहा हूँ. Now 4 teams are in the upper half. Now lower half 3 teams 5, 6 and 7. अब मैचेस खिला के देखते हैं. इनिशियल राउंड में मान लीजिए इसको खिलाया इसके साथ, 1 को 2 के साथ खिलाया, 3 को 4 के साथ खिलाया, 5 को 6 के साथ खिलाया, तो 7 किसके साथ खेलेगी? अब हमारे टूर्नामेंट के फिक्चर्स में गड़बड़ी हो जाएगी. When we are having the odd number of teams, रोमिशा, odd number of teams अगर हमारे पास में है तो हमको फिर बाय देना पड़ेगी. और बाय देने का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Any one of team, any one of these should have the buy. तो वो क्या होगा? इनिशियल राउंड में नहीं खेलेगा, फर्स्ट राउंड में नहीं खेलेगा, वो सेकंड राउंड में जाके खेलेगा. अब उसके लिए हमने फॉर्मूला बनाया कि कितनी बाइस देंगे. तो बाय का फॉर्मूला है 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n का मतलब ये हुआ कि जो 7 टीमें हैं उसमें से हम कितनों को बाय दे सकते हैं. तो फॉर्मूला था 2 to the power n, नियरेस्ट नंबर ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीम्स. तो हमने फिर फॉर्मूला लगाया 2 दूनी 4 दूनी 8. जैसे 8 आया हम लोग रुक गए. नियरेस्ट पावर 2 का पावर 4, 4 का पावर 8, तो हम वहां रुक गए. अब 8 में से हमने क्या माइनस किया? 7 टीम्स को. तो एक बाय निकला. जब एक बाय निकला तो हमने फिर फॉर्मूला सेट किया हुआ है कि सबसे पहले जो बाय देंगे वो किसको देंगे? बोले लोअर हाफ की बॉटम टीम. लोअर हाफ की बॉटम टीम वो ABCD XYZ 1 2 3 4 3 2 कोई भी हो, जो लोअर हाफ के या नीचे नंबर आएगा उस टीम को दिया जाएगा. तो दैट वे वी हैव गिवन द बाय. एनी डाउट रोमिशा बेटा?
No, sir.
Chaliye, good. Yes, Nishant, over to you.
Yes, sir. Now the calculation of buys, to calculate how many buys are given. So see, buys adjustment for 13 teams. Now the nearest power to power of 2 to get 13 is 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Are you getting? 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So number of buys can be calculated as 16 minus 13, as there are 13 teams. So we can have 3 buys in this and 4 round. Now these rounds are calculated as the number of power. What power do you have to 4? Like here it is 2 to the power 4. Then there will be 4 rounds. Okay, are you getting? So 2 buys will be given in lower half and 1
Nishant,
buy will be
ask the
given.
question. Ask the question and tell them to write in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
So
So
here, yes, here the Nishant is talking about the total 13 teams has given the entries for a tournament,
yes,
right?
sir.
और जब 13 teams का entry हुआ तो 2 to the power n, तो 2 to the power 4, क्योंकि 13 है तो उसका नियरेस्ट क्या होगा 16, राइट? अब ये 16 टोटल टीम, टोटल नंबर हमारा 2 to the power n का आया, उसमें से माइनस किया टोटल नंबर ऑफ टीम्स को, तो 3 बाइज निकला. अब 3 बाय दी जाएंगी, ठीक है, लेकिन उससे पहले उसने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बोली है कि हाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मेनी राउंड्स वी हैव टू प्ले हियर 2 to the power n. तो जितना n की वैल्यू होगी उतने ही राउंड्स उस टूर्नामेंट के कंप्लीट होंगे. दिस इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ चेकिंग योर फिक्सचर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. If yes, then
Yes,
write
sir.
yes. If no, then write no. Yeah, very good. Yes, Prashant. Nishant.
Sir, can I ask a question now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Now, there is a question for all of you. How many buys will be there if the number of teams are 9?
Yes.
If there
Calculate
are
and write it
9
in the.
teams, the chat box.
Yes. If suppose 9 teams are given the entry, then how many buys will be given in this tournament? Quickly calculate and write it in the chat box. जिसा ने कितना लिखा है दोबारा लिखो. हाँ, वेरी गुड. यस, वेरी नाइस, एक्सीलेंट.
Sir, 7 लिखा है सबने.
हाँ, 7 लिखा है. यस,
Yes, sir, correct है.
very nice.
Now,
Okay,
2 buy.
if suppose 21 teams are there, then how many buys? श्रावणी सबसे पहले लिख देती है, सबको आंसर पता लग जाता है. ओके, क्विकली. 15 टीम्स. सुहानी सबसे पहले लिखेगी 15 टीम्स. गलत लिख दिया पूर्वी ने 15 टीम्स के साथ में. Calculate quickly and write it in the chat box. How many 15 teams are there? How many buys are there? Okay, answer anybody or answer it quickly. 1 buy. Absolutely. Absolutely. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. Yes, Nishant.
Yes, sir. Now, in example first for 13 teams, 2 buys will be given in the lower half. As we all know the procedure that first buy will be given to the last team of lower half, then second buy will be given to first team of upper half, and then again the first team of lower half. So this like this we will give 3 buys in 13 teams.
Good.
And we will have 4. So, ठीक है, IE.
Where?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's done now. For like 20, if there are 23 teams, then we'll calculate the power of 2. It gets the nearest number is 32, 2 to the power 5. Then we'll get answer that 5 rounds are there. Then the number of byes will be 32 minus 23, 9 byes. Again, we have to go through the same manner: lower half, lower team first by, upper half, lower team first by, then upper half, first team second by, and so on. We'll give
Let
9
me come
byes
in.
to.
Let me come in, Nishant. Let me come in.
Yes, sir.
Now, listen carefully. And if you want to write it down. All right. How that by has to be allotted in the fixture. Condition number 1. The first by always will be given to the bottom team of lower half. Bottom team of lower half. Now, second by is always given to the top team of upper half. Third by is always given to the top team of lower half. Top team of lower half. Third by is always given to the top team of lower half. Now, again, fourth by is always given to the bottom team of upper half. And you can continue to give that byes if it is more. Right? Formula will be same. All right? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No,
If no
sir.
doubt, please write it in the chat box quickly. Nishant, before leaving the
Yes, sir.
class, I will request you to make a video of 1 minute or 2 minutes to make a fixture in a proper way. Right? एक छोटा सा 1-2 मिनट का वीडियो बनाना है कॉपी पे कैलकुलेशन करते हुए.
Yes, sir.
And put it on the WhatsApp group. Now, homework for whole class. Draw a knockout fixture team containing 23 teams. For 23 teams. Knockout fixtures for 23 teams. All right. Prepare that and post it on the WhatsApp. Is that clear to everyone? Say yes or no. If caution is clear, then write yes.
सर मैं भी इसी का मेथड बना दूं वीडियो इसका 23
हाँ
का.
बिल्कुल. हाँ बिल्कुल बना लो.
Yes, sir.
कल वाली क्लास में प्रेजेंट करना उसको. व्हाट्सएप पे मत डालना आप.
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो चलो
Sir, can I
पूर्वी
stop
शांति पाठ करो आज के लिए और निशांत कंटिन्यू करेगा कल. चेतन साहू को बोलो कि वो क्लास के अंदर रहे, अंदर बाहर ना भागे. Close your eyes, join your hands and शांति पाठ. Start.
शांति शांति शांति.
God bless you. In case any doubt, just inform me. I will take this class. No problem for me. All right. So you should be ready with preparation. Thank you very much. You may leave the class now. Quickly.
Thank you, sir. Saram, sir.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, beta. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Sairam,
Quickly
sir.
leave. Quickly leave. Sai Ram.
Thank you, sir.
Sai Ram, beta. Leave the class.